Hey guys, how's it going? How to reset cpanel. So log into your cpanel website and then enter your username and password. And basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and back up the important data. Before resetting, ensure that you back up any important files like files, database, emails, etc. And then you can remove the files, navigate to the file manager and delete the files and folders in the public /HTML directory or other relevant directories. And then you can reset your database. Go to my SQL database, remove all existing database and database users, and then you can create a new databases and users if necessary, and you can remove the email account and reset the settings. Go to the email accounts and delete any existing email accounts, and you can reset settings. You may need to reset specific things such as DNS, FTP accounts, or any other configurations that you have changed, and then you can reset request full reset from the host, and this is optional. And now you can reconfigure cpanel. After resetting, reconfigure cpanel settings as needed for your website and email. Always ensure that you have backups before performing reset to avoid losing any important data. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.